Hey everyone, welcome back to What's Your Game Plan? Are you feeling the pinch of the daily grind and craving more control over your finances? Well, look around. There's business opportunities everywhere, even starting with limited capital. Today I'm showcasing 3 real-world businesses with serious revenue potential, all with ways to keep your startup costs low. Remember, building a successful business takes effort, but these ventures can be your stepping stones to financial freedom. People will always need to clean their clothes, making laundromats a classic and relatively stable business. While there's still initial investment in equipment, you can find used or refurbished washers and dryers to keep your costs low. Make sure you're researching locations with high foot traffic or limited laundry facilities in apartment buildings. You can consider offering additional services like dry cleaning, wash and fold options, or even a refreshment area to attract customers. Vending machines offer a low-maintenance way to generate passive income. While the machines themselves have a cost, you can actually find really good deals on used equipment on Facebook Marketplace, or you can buy them brand new from places like Sam's Club. Make sure you're identifying high-traffic locations in offices, buildings, or even break rooms in gyms or car washes. The e-commerce world is vast, and dropshipping allows you to start an online store with minimal upfront inventory. You'll partner with suppliers who will actually handle the storage and even the fulfillment of the products, so you can only focus on marketing and customer service. Make sure you're researching trendy products with healthy profit margins and avoid overly saturated markets. These 3 business ideas showcase the beauty of starting up small and scaling up. So whether you choose laundry, vending machines, or the digital world of dropshipping, remember, through research, strategic planning, and a commitment to great customer service, you can have it all. So unleash your inner entrepreneur and watch your business boom. What kind of low-cost business idea excites you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring entrepreneur tips. Until next time, it's me reminding you, it's your game, so go out there and win.